Hi from Soldering Guy channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Leyden jar. But first I need to clear around a bit. Let's start the video. Oh, I didn't notice you was there. Okay, so we now have everything. We need to make a Leyden jar. First a jar, some isolation tape, aluminium foil, some salty water, screw, and a cable that I will probably gonna find later. So I clear around a bit and don't look there's here is better. Get some tea. Also tea is very important when making a Leyden jar. You can make without it. So let's start by drilling this screw into this. So we have this toy I get new. How does it work? What the? No, it's not centered. It's okay though. Let's put your screw in it. Something is wrong. I think we shouldn't poke this big hole. It takes about half an hour until I painfully realized the screw and top load not gonna work. Salty water in it. Let's just Then you need to put salty water in the jar, but first shake salty water a bit so it will mix well and it will contact the electricity level. Yeah, it's good. Take the salty water. Add some tea. Now it looks like I peed in this. Whatever. Close the jar evenly. You can use your lame aluminium folio to cover the thing, but I'm gonna use my aluminium tape while doing that. Close the open holes with more aluminium tape and I'll isolate even more. For the top load I'm gonna use these two pieces like this or this and cover the ball smoothly with the aluminium tape. Then tape the aluminum tape to screw. Then cut your top load stabilizer with a soldering iron. Then tape the stabilizer to top load to stabilize top load better. And your Leyden jar is ready. But this video gets too long, so I will make a second episode of this video to show you what you can do with the Leyden jar, and hope to see you next time.